checked. Hearthstone row 1 column. Hearthstone.
Hey guys, it's Bree, or Bree the Blind, or whatever you want to say. And today, we're playing more Hearthstone. So, if you like stuff like this, feel free to drop a comment, like, share, subscribe, and all of that fun stuff. And if you subscribe, you won't miss videos like this. And it will help me out greatly if you do subscribe. It's free, it takes very little time to do, and yeah. You can also share this stuff with your friends if you know other people who would like stuff like this.
OBS Studio 3, Beeple Garden column, Beeple Garden.
I think we're gonna play
Hearthstone.
Sorry, I had a bunch of stuff open. Today I think we're gonna
play 8 miniaturize or mini cards, 1000 XP, pop up, your quests, treasure hunters 1 of 2. Main menu.
I think we're just gonna play some ranked mode today.
Play casual 2 of, play ranked 1 of 12. Play standard 1 of 2. Play wild 2 of.
I think we'll play probably as Jaina, mostly because that's just what I feel like today.
Play wild. Choose your deck 1 of 3.
And we'll probably
choose your deck 4 of 13. Finding opponent. Please wait.
We'll probably play some Tavern Brawl tomorrow, depending on what it is. If it's something fun, we'll probably do that.
Jaina versus the Lich King!
You're playing against Parliament, the Death Knight. You start with 3 cards. You go first.
You asked for it.
Starting hand. Keep. Waiting for opponent. Your turn. You have 1 mana. You drew Arcane Intellect. Hand. Arcane Missiles 2 of 4. Play card. You played Arcane Missiles.
Job done.
Your opponent's here. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Skeletal Sidekick. 1/2 Battlecry. Give a friendly undead 2 attack. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 2 mana. You drew Polymorph. Hand. Boulder Fist Ogre. Nightblade 2 of 4. Arcane Intellect 3. Polymorph 4 of. Arcane Intellect 3 of 4. Hero Power. Choose a target. Opponent's minions. Opponent's hero. You used Fire Blast. Your opponent's hero took 1 damage. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
Like any card game, you can get.
Your opponent's skeletal sidekick attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage.
Or a really bad hand, so it just depends on what cards you get.
Your opponent played the coin. Gain 1 mana crystal this turn only. Your opponent gained 1 mana. Your opponent summoned Body Bagger. 1/3 Battlecry. Gain a corpse.
I have but little time.
Wow.
10 seconds remaining. Your opponent used Ghoul Charge. Hero Power summon a 1/1 Ghoul with Charge. It dies at end of turn. 1 Frail Ghoul was summoned into your opponent's battlefield. Turn ended. Your hand. Boulder Fist Ogre 1 of 5. Nightblade 2. Arcane Intellect 3 of. Polymorph. Senjin Shield Master 5. Polymorph. Arcane Intellect. Play card. You played Arcane Intellect. You drew River Crocolisk and Senjin Shield Master. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent's skeletal sidekick attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Your opponent's body bagger attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Your opponent summoned Raid Leader. 2/3 your other minions have 1 attack. Your opponent's minions gained 1 attack. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 4 mana. You drew Fireball. Hand. Boulder Fist Ogre. Nightblade 2 of. Polymorph. Senjin. River Croco. Senjin Shield. Fireball 7 of 7. Choose a target. Opponent's minion. Skeletal Body Bagger 3. Opponent's hero. You played Fireball. Your opponent's hero took 6 damage. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
Yes, I could summon minions, but when I get a fun card like the Fireball card, you better.
Your opponent's raid leader attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's skeletal sidekick attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's body bagger attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your
The
opponent summoned
citadel
Chillfallen Baron,
stands
2/2
strong.
Battle Cry and Death Rattle. Draw a card. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Murmy, 1/1 Reborn. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 5 mana. Hand. Boulder Fist Ogre. Nightblade 2 of 7. Summon. You summoned Nightblade. Your opponent's hero took 3 damage. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent's Chillfallen Baron attacked your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Your opponent's raid leader attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's skeletal sidekick attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's body bagger attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage.
But it's fine.
Your opponent's Murmy attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent summoned Senjin Shieldmaster, 3/5 taunt.
Go that way? Okay, we can play that game.
Your opponent summoned Body Bagger, 1/3 Battle Cry, gain a corpse. Turn ended. Hand. Boulder Fist Ogre 1 of 7. Polymorph 2 of 7. Senjin Shieldmaster. You summoned Senjin Shieldmaster. Hand. River Crocolisk 3. Summon at the right. You summoned River Crocolisk. Minions. Nightblade 1 of 3. Choose a target. Opponent's minions. Senjin Shieldmaster 2 of 7. Opponent's minions. Senjin Shieldmaster 2. Opponent's minions. Senjin Your Nightblade attacked your opponent's Senjin Shieldmaster. Your minion died. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
Ugh.
Your opponent's Chillfallen Baron attacked your Senjin Shieldmaster. Your opponent's minion died. Your opponent's Chillfallen Baron triggered. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent's raid leader attacked your Senjin Shieldmaster. Both minions died. Your opponent's minions lost 1 attack. Your opponent's first body bagger attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Your opponent's Senjin Shieldmaster attacked your hero. Your hero took 3 damage. Your opponent's skeletal sidekick attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Your opponent's second body bagger attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Your opponent's Murmy attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Your opponent summoned Nomelia, SAFE Pilot, 4/2 Rush. Also damages minions next to whomever this attacks. Death Rattle, deal 2 damage to all enemies. Your opponent's Nomelia, SAFE Pilot attacked your River Crocolisk. Both minions died. Your opponent's Nomelia, hand. Boulder Fist Ogre 1 of 6. You summoned Boulder Fist Ogre. Hand. Arcane Missile, play card. You played Arcane Missiles. Your 1 Murmy was summoned into your opponent's battlefield. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent's skeletal sidekick attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Your hero died. You lose. Press enter to continue. You've gained 35 XP. You've gained 6 XP. You've gained 75 XP for completing a quest. Spend 20 mana. You can't lose stars at this rank. Quest progress. Play wild.
Well, I hope everyone has enjoyed that. That was a quick little video today, and
OBS Studio 30. OBS.
so I hope that, like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, subscribe, share, and all of those fun things.
Start streaming. Stop recording checkbox check.